Welcome to this mindful walking practice. Try this practice anytime in the day, whenever you need a break from your work or your daily activities. This practice will help you to slow down and bring more awareness to yourself and your surroundings. Walking in nature brings a sense of peace and serenity that helps to calm the mind and relax the body. So first, I invite you to step outside and find a quiet space to walk in a park or near the water or even in your own garden. The quality of the walk here is more important than the distance. To begin, place your hands behind your back or in front of you, or you can just let them hang at your side, whatever feels most comfortable and natural. Focus your gaze just in front of your feet and begin to walk slowly while maintaining attention on your body's movements. Sense each step fully as you walk in a relaxed and natural way. See if you can pay attention to each foot lifting and then touching the ground. Notice which parts of your feet touch the ground first. Observe the sensations in your toes, the tops of your feet, the bottom of your feet, and the heels as you walk. Just take a moment to observe the movement of lifting and placing your foot back on the ground. Continue to walk slowly and mindfully, bringing some attention to your breath in your chest and your belly. And as you walk, see if you can sync your breath with your movements. If it feels good, take a few cleansing breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. With each exhale, release any tension in your neck, your shoulders, back, the legs, and the feet. Now expand your awareness to the rest of your body. What do you notice about how your body moves? Notice any movements in your legs and the rest of your body. any shifting from side to side. For the next few minutes, shift your attention to your surroundings. Try to notice at least 3 things in your surroundings, such as colors and objects, whatever grabs your attention. Now focus your attention on any sounds or smells around you without labeling or naming them. Just spend the next minute paying attention to sounds or smells around you. Take a deep breath in and then exhale completely. And focus again on the physical sensations of walking, noticing the movements in your body as you take each step. And when you're ready to end your walk, stand still for a moment. Thank your body for the ability to breathe, move, and walk freely. If you have time, take a moment to reflect or journal on the following. What did you like about this practice? What would you do differently next time? And what would happen if you practice walking in this way 1 or more times a week? Thank you for letting me guide you today.